Okay, just like we worked with word art last time, we're going to work with word shapes this time. And just to kind of demonstrate my point just a little bit better, I'm going to go ahead and go to page layout and go to page color and just give my page just a little bit of color so that we can kind of see the contrast. So we're going to go to insert, shapes, and you have all of these different categories. You can choose any of these. Let's say you wanted maybe this arrow, and then after you click on it, it's not there. You have to draw it then. So you're going to click and hold your mouse and drag it out, and you can make it as large or as small as you want, and then let go. And there is your shape. And just like we did with Word, the word art, here are your kind of some drawing tools and some formatting that you can do. It'll color in what the color is here. There's also many options underneath here, just like there was with Word. Here, I'll move this over so that we can actually see it while I'm clicking on that. So it's the same exact tools that you had in Word, except now they apply to shapes. Okay, and the shape fill color, you can change that here. The shape outline color, if you wanted the outline of it to be a different color, you could certainly do that. And the shape effects, you can also do the same shape effects. Like here's one of the glows, so you see the little glow going around the outside of it. So there's a lot that's very much the same with the shapes as there was with the word art. Also, say we're going to type something on there. After you do that, if you select your text and then go up to format, you have all your text options as well, just like you did in the Word. The text fill, if you don't want it to be white, if you wanted it to be green for some reason, it's kind of hard to see when it's green. Let's change it to a different color, like maybe a nice orange. Okay, if you wanted the outline of the text to be a different color, as you learned in the word art, there it's right there. And also the text effects, you can transform those. So it's all very much the same as what you already learned in the word art, but it's applying to shapes. One other thing I want to bring to your attention: if you insert a shape and you go down here to callouts, it's very easy to draw your call out, and this is like a bubble, like what somebody would be thinking or saying, and it's hard to see probably in the video, but the text, the cursor is right there. So if you wanted to then type we are waiting for the school bus, for some reason that's what a character in your story was saying, you could type that in there, and of course you can select it, and you can go up to your text fill, and you can change the colors just as you did before. Okay, you can also shade this with your gradient, and you can all the tools that you used you can use in this as well. When you're done, click on File, Save As, Last Name, Shapes.